In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product categories in QuickBooks Online. If you sell multiple items or services, categories help you keep everything organized so you can work faster and report smarter. They make your product and service list easier to browse, and they give your sales forms a cleaner, more professional feel. Once you're signed in to your QuickBooks Online company, we'll go straight to the feature you need. Start by going to the gear icon at the top right of your screen. This is your shortcut to key settings and lists in QuickBooks Online. From there, choose All Lists, and then select Product Categories. This brings you to the central place where all of your categories live. If you've never used categories before, this page may be empty. If you have, you'll see a tidy list of what already exists, which gives you a quick snapshot of how your products are grouped today. Now, let's add a new one. Look to the top right of this page and click New Category. You'll get a simple box that asks for a name. Keep your names clear and consistent so everyone on your team knows what belongs where. Think in broad, intuitive buckets like office supplies, apparel, beverages, or services. Use words your customers or staff would naturally use, and stick to the same capitalization and style to keep things uniform across your list. Once you name it, you're set. QuickBooks will add the category to your list, so it's ready for use the next time you're managing your products and services. You can repeat this process as many times as you need to build out a logical structure that mirrors how you think about your inventory or offerings. Clear categories not only make data entry faster, they also make finding items on sales forms easier and improve the way your reports summarize performance. A quick tip as you plan: focus on categories that help you make decisions. If you regularly compare sales by type, create categories that reflect those comparisons. If you want your team to find items quickly, keep the list simple and avoid overly similar names. That's all there is to it. Click the gear icon, go to All Lists, open Product Categories, create a new category, name it, and you're done. With a few thoughtful names, your QuickBooks Online file becomes cleaner, faster, and more insightful. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.